5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Beware.
Get those fellows pumping! Destruction!
Beware.
Destruction! Call in more security!
Beware.
Let's get this operator.
The fury has broken free! Quick! Get it under control! Warlord, we have it under control!
Destruction!
Nice work over here.
Top.
Beware.
Die, stop!
Go and grab the security guard.
Yep.
Alright, let's go over to this elemental.
Beware.
Go ahead and cleave down the slag elemental.
Yeah, he's low enough now. He can actually just
Alright, everybody's
Beware.
get on him now. He's gotta go down.
Beware.
Get him down, guys. Alright, let's move over to this next one and burn down these fire collars as we're going.
Beware.
be very careful with the fire.
Beware.
Focus primal.
Burn down the primal elements. Just add in some things.
Beware.
Keep that elementals. Good job moving to the next one. And clean up all these guys, please.
Beware.
Bring the slag guy to it.
Trap, you can also come a little closer.
Say that again, please.
Come to the left side.
Beware.
Same area, just on the left side versus being in that other.
Position okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks. Burn down
Beware.
the elementalists, get him down, guys. You got a security guard. He's got the skull on his head.
Beware.
Nice work. Get down the fire collars. Just like no
Beware.
little.
Got a thing over here.
Security guard's got an X on him for you. Can you pull him out? I'll bring him towards you, son.
Beware. Beware.
Focus down line.
Oh, dude,
Well,
what the hell?
I'm taking them all out. Trash
It's
is
too
still
late.
there.
There's a shield right on top of her.
Beware. Beware.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody move back to this wall.
5,
Clean up
Four,
fire colors
3,
and security
2,
guard.
1.
Beware.
Focus hard, guys.
You want to talk to Bob?
Beware.
Can we get lost?
Oh yeah, let's
Clean it up.
Focus the boss. You're not clean up the ads. Focus the boss.
You have to clean up the ads so the tanks are gonna get started.
Yeah, we're gonna get overwhelmed with the security guard. And somebody dropped that shield.
Beware.
It's supposed to be, the range supposed to be dropped next to your back. Go ahead and move them up towards where you're from. I got him full.
Drown in fire.
Beware.
Those piles are gonna grow, so I'm moving them.
Don't move him if you don't need to.
Right, but all the range have got to move up, so trying to give them room to stay and still stay behind.
Drown in fire.
I'm sorry, guys. I gotta use
Beware.
flags so I just died and shit.
Suffer.
Move the boss.
Beware.
That's good.
Don't move.
Fire.
Run yourself out.
I had the stuff creeping up on us from behind.
Yeah, I can see it right.
Suffer.
Beware.
Drown in fire. the flesh from your bones. Suffer.
Gonna move.
Send in some 10 seconds.
Drown in fire.
Moving them.
Suffer.
Don't move them anymore, not yet.
I wasn't going to. Stop moving.
Okay.
Drown in fire.
I'll fucking wipe that.
Damn, that's a nice tank trinket for that bird.
What happened to my furnace? Where are my guards? Shut these intruders
Protect your guys.
down!
Figured I'd get that out of the way.
Okay, I have to go pee now, sorry.
Could have went on the kills open. Alright, so I see that trap is working.
Is it tier piece or downgrade or
Any of the healers need that trinket?